I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enable biometric login on Zelle, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Zelle app. Launch the Zelle app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the gear icon or the settings menu, usually located in the upper right corner of the app. Step 3. Select security options. In the settings menu, look for the security or privacy section. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Enable biometric login. Before changing your settings, use the *com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Note, if you don't see the option, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Step 5. Test the login. Log out of your Zelle account and try logging back and using your biometric method. This will confirm that the feature is working correctly. Now you're all set to use Zelle with biometric login. It is a quick and secure way to access your account. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.